Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change location on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to settings. After that, scroll up and click on Apple ID settings. After that, click Media and Purchases and click View Account. Wait some time and here click Country and Region. Wait again and click Change Country or Region. And here you can find any country and change it. For example, click United States, click Agree, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.